I just installed a new windscreen, and that's the MRA windscreen, which is 50% smoked, so it's quite easy to see through, and there is not any problem of the visibility while you are tucked, and it's quite easy to tuck behind the windscreen because it has a very wide and long bubble from the top, so it makes your life easier, especially when there is a wind or if you are traveling on long distances. I highly recommend that windscreen. I love it a lot. I think the original one is kinda low, and I'm not that tall, like 175 centimeters high, but this makes my life much easier. And especially if you're having an accessory bag, as I have here, this will reduce the height where you can tuck, because with the lower screen you cannot put your head above the accessory box because the wind will blow directly in the helm. You have to be careful when you're installing it to take the tabs that are on that part there. I'll show you a picture of the tabs. Otherwise the original windscreen, it will not come out and you might damage something. You need to undo the tabs and then pull the windscreen out, the whole windscreen, to prevent from any vibrations or so. So this one does not have it, and the problem is that, or kind of problem, is when you're riding and there is a higher speed or wind towards you, then it kind of vibrates a little bit from the top. So that might be a little bit annoying, so you have to keep in mind it's not that much, but still it kind of vibrates, and that's because of the lack of the support on the windscreen. But I think this could be fixed by having some foam and tucking into the place where the tabs were, so that might give it a little bit extra support. Yeah, but that was it. If you're looking for a windscreen and you are trying to find out how the MRA windscreen looks on the R1 2020 before you buy it, then that's a good material for you. I would love to have it before I bought it, because I was a little bit nervous if I would like it, but I do love it. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye.